Conquer conversations, mastering confirmation questions. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very important part of conversational English, confirmation questions. They're used often in our daily conversations, and they can help you understand and engage in English dialogue more efficiently. So, let's get started. Confirmation questions are a way to confirm or check something that you already think or know. They usually come in a yes, no format, which makes them quite easy to identify. Here are a few examples. You're a teacher, aren't you? That's your car, isn't it? She has finished her homework, hasn't she? Notice how we structure these sentences. We state something, and then we ask for confirmation. This is a powerful tool to engage in a conversation and show the other person that you are actively listening and interested in what they're saying. Now, let's move to the fun part, role-playing. It's one of the best ways to practice real-life conversation and get comfortable with confirmation questions. Here are a few scenarios for you to role-play. 1. At the restaurant. 2. Waiter. You've ordered the vegetarian pasta, haven't you? 3. Customer. Yes, that's correct. 4. At the airport. 5. Security. This is your bag, isn't it? 6. Passenger. Yes, it is. Thank you. 7. In a classroom. 8. Teacher. You've completed your project, haven't you? 9. Student. Yes, I have. In these scenarios, try to play both roles and answer the confirmation questions. This will give you a taste of real conversations and help you become more confident. The key to mastering confirmation questions, like anything else, is practice. Try using them in your daily conversations. When you're talking to a friend, a coworker, or even a shopkeeper, throw in a confirmation question. It will not only make you sound more fluent but also improve your listening and responding skills. And that wraps up our lesson on confirmation questions. Remember, they are a powerful tool in your English-speaking arsenal. They'll help you become a better communicator and make your conversations more engaging. Keep practicing and you'll master them in no time. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.